In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send your location on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Guys, let's get started. First off, open up WhatsApp app and then go to chats. After that, just open up some conversation with the users or with one user whom you want to share your location with. To share your location, tap at that link sign and select location. Then you can send your current location, which is detected automatically. So you can tap at send your current location, or you can select any location from this list and then just tap on it to send. Also, from here we can share our live location. To do that, we can tap at share live location. Then we need to choose for how long we want to share our live location. We can select 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. After you click at this button, that user can track your current location. At any time you can stop sharing your location with him by hitting at stop sharing. That's how you can easily send your location on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below. If you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.